my Uber driver was telling me he wanted to take, well, basically he was my Uber driver. He took me out. And
so your Uber driver,
yeah,
you decided to date your Uber driver. Carry on.
I wouldn't really call it dating, you see. That's where you got it wrong, babes. Like, I wasn't dating him. At the end of the day, I just wanted to go out for... He said, oh, he would take me out. So he's like, oh, yeah, let me take you out and stuff like that. So I'm like, cool. Like, I don't mind going out, but I first wanted him to drop me to see my ex, like, kind of this guy that I'm kind of talking to.
You mean you mean the guy that you're sleeping with? Yeah.
No. That's not. I'm not doing that with him, because I feel like he needs to. First of all, he's not trying to spend any money, and I'm sorry. I can't do this. Like, I can't be giving myself to a broke nigga that doesn't want to spend. Like, that's actually disrespectful. Like, you can't show me interest, but you're not willing to put any money down on the table. Where they do that at? Where they do that at, honey?
But you said he's your ex.
He's like a guy that I was interested in initially, but
did you give him the box? Did you give him the box? That's what I want to know.
Never.
I don't believe you, bruv.
I swear.
If you was a guy you was talking to and you liked him and you took it so far that you had to go and get an Uber to go and see him, yeah, that means you liked him enough that you probably gave him the box. You gave him sloppy. There's at least hand jobs. No. At least hand jobs were occurring, bruv. At the very least.
No. Bruv. Wait, look, King Richez. That's not... Let me tell you something, babe. When I met him, when I was speaking to this guy, I'm talking, this was probably when I, 2014, 13, whatever. And obviously those times I kind of liked him, but he was just on this plain thing. Like, he just wanted to be everywhere. Like, he wanted to be... I don't know where he was just everywhere. He wanted to be for the streets. He was for the streets of he wasn't even for the streets, he was for the government. He was the people.
He was for the government.
He was for the government.
He was running around getting box from other girls, and then what?
Yeah. So obviously at that time I was like, in my head I'm thinking, okay, I like you, but you're not being serious with me. So that's when I kind of just went off of him. Then now I've moved on. I don't care about him anymore. Like, I've moved on. I'm having a fun single lifestyle, but I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah, throwing your box around. Yeah.
No, yeah. Okay, yeah, whatever you want to say that. So, but now I'm enjoying my life. Finessing, just having a great time.
When you keep saying finessing, what do you mean by that?
Well, to be fair, guys, I mean, I'm not saying I just want to use guys, because that's not how I am.
Yes,
I don't like... Well, okay, cool. Well, yeah, all right. But it's not that I want to use a guy. It's just that it's like, they are offering their services. So if you're offering your services, I'm a type of girl, I appreciate so much. I will never turn it down, you see. I'll always definitely take...
Are you offering your services, though? That's what I'm trying to find out.
Hell to the no. And that's
that ain't fair. How can the guy be offering you services and you're not offering services back? What kind of life is that?
Because I tend to pick simps as well. I like guys that are simpy. Like, I need a guy...
I like guys that are simpy.
I do. I love a simp. Like, I just don't know what it is. You
don't. Listen, you don't love a simp. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is, yeah? What? You like the short-term things that come along when you're dealing with a simp. The simp's going to kiss your ass and probably give you things for free. Yeah? But you're not going to be happy with him. He's not someone you're going to want to sleep with, really. You're going to want to sleep. You're going to want to sleep with someone like me, that looks like me. Do you get what I'm saying? And at the same time, a guy that's not going to take your shit. This is the problem that a lot of you girls have. You want a simp that looks like an alpha, but they don't tend to exist like that. You can't really have both. It don't work like that.
No, but the simps do exist. Like, roadie simps do exist. I have met guys like that who were roadie but still were simpy, but they're just simpy behind closed doors. Like, when you're out on the streets, they'll be all like, yeah, like all rough and like, oh yeah.
So you're saying you found guys that were like gang, but when they was with you, they was a little bit...
Not necessarily a little bitch, but they will cater to my every need.
Did you respect them?
Know? Yeah, I respected him, like proper respected him, because I knew that anytime, like, even though he was a simp, like, he'll paint my toes for me, he'll kiss my feet.
He'll paint your toenails for you?
Yeah.
Wow.
If I said to him, paint my toes, he'd be painting my toes. He'd be like, yo, give me your toes, I'm gonna paint it for you. And he'll do it for me, no problem.
Bruh, any guy out there, you're painting some girl's toenails, bruv. You need to slap yourself twice, bruv, on the right side and then 4 times on the left side, bruv.
No,
bruv,
don't listen to him. That's a lie.
That's not real, bruv. That's not real. What happened with this Uber driver?
So basically, he's like, baby, he's like to me, baby, what you want, I'll get you anything you want. If you want, I take you to Dubai now. Don't worry.
He's an Uber driver. I don't want to take you to Dubai whenever you want. He's an Uber driver. Are you rich?
I mean, I'm not saying I'm rich, but I mean, I've been to Dubai a few times, so it's like, and I didn't even pay that.
No, but I'm asking you, are you rich? Because you're talking about finessing guys and stuff like that. That's usually what broke girls do.
I'm okay. Do you know what it is? I don't go out looking for guys to buy me things, but if a guy's offering, I'll be like, if the offer sounds good, yeah.
No, but you sound really happy to be out there finessing guys. So obviously that's something you like to do.
It's not, do you know what it is? It's not about finessing guys. If guys could finesse us women, in whatever way they could, they would do it anywho. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, if a guy could come and, like, if a guy could get shit from a girl without actually doing anything, they will do it anyway. So I don't see why it's so bad if a guy attracted to you and he likes you. Well, why can't he spend money on you? That just makes sense.
Do you think you're wifey material?
I think I am, but I think that this. No, do you know what it is? I think, to be fair, I think I'm a real ride or die. I'm like the best girlfriend. But I think my past.
No, you ain't. You're out here finessing guys.
No, let me tell you something.
What are you on about?
Listen, King Richez, yeah. Let me tell you something. I am the best girlfriend, yeah. I'll say that, yeah. But one thing, yeah, these guys, yeah, that I've dealt with, especially these trash men that I've dealt with in the past, they just turn me on some very savage mode to the point where I don't give a fuck anymore. Like,
but you're picking these, bruv, you're picking these dudes, right now.
If any I come across right now, I'll show these men, yeah, that hurricanes are named after people. Any guy that I come across right now, I'm just trying to mash them up because
you could never mash me up, bruv. You could never mash me up, bruv. Do you know what would happen if you met me in real life?
Okay, let's see.
Do you know what would happen if you met me in real life? Yeah, first of all, you'd be on it. You'd be smiling. You keep smiling. I've been down this road many times. You just keep smiling when I'm around, yeah? Next thing, oh yeah, you might as well come to my house. Or, oh yeah, what are you doing today? Oh yeah, let's do this, is it? Yeah, cool. Safe. Yeah? Then, obviously, you're gonna position yourself so that I can smash. Yeah? I'm gonna smash. And then once that happens, you're hooked, blood. That's it. It's finished. Like, you have no power. There's no power left. Like, you don't have no power anymore. Like any kind of finessing you think you was gonna do, that's over with. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, and that's all that's gonna happen. And you're just gonna keep opening up for me. Like, get me?
No, because I know. Bruv. I wouldn't, because I wouldn't even put myself in that situation where I know, like, I know, obviously I've seen guys like you, and I wouldn't like put myself in that situation because I know if you F me over, then it's gonna be really, it's not gonna end really well.
It's gonna be what? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
King Richez, baby.
All you're gonna do is say, King Richez, me, I hate him. That's what you're gonna do. That's silly, man.